Budget-friendly macaroni in egg sauce. It's so delicious, easy to put together. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. I'm going to start by cooking the macaroni. I just added the macaroni into the water, the hot water, and I added a little bit of salt to taste and some olive oil. I'll give everything a quick stir, cover it and allow to cook until it's 98% done. The macaroni is cooked to my liking. Before I drain out the water, I take some of the water out and set it aside. In a pan, I added some oil and allowed to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with my onion and I added some tomato paste as well. I will stir everything together for about 2 minutes just to infuse the flavor of the onion into the oil and to remove the sour taste of the tomato paste. Reason for the tomato paste is going to give the macaroni that reddish beautiful color when it is done. I go in with my pepper. I'm making use of the red and the yellow one. You can use the red one or the yellow one. It totally depends on you. And I added my chili pepper. I just add the chili pepper into my small blender. Blend it up. Once I add all the pepper, I give everything a quick stir until they are well combined. Added some thyme, a little bit of rosemary and curry powder, salt and seasoning cube, and I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder as well. Feel free to add any spices of your choice, and you can choose to blend your pepper, alright, but I choose not to blend my own pepper. Just do whatever that works for you. If you blend it, if you don't blend it, you will still come out with perfect delicious macaroni. Trust me guys. I go in with a little bit of the water that I take out from the macaroni. Stir everything together once again and allow the sauce to cook down for about 3 to 5 minutes. The sauce is looking so beautiful and it smells so good guys. I give everything a quick stir and I go in with my egg. For 400 grams of macaroni, I make use of 4 eggs. You can use less or you can add more, alright? Once I add the egg, I just cover the pan back and allow the egg to set for a couple of minutes. And you guys, look at that. It's looking so beautiful guys. I came back, I stir on the egg before I go in with the macaroni. We're almost done guys. I just go in with the macaroni and I go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. And you guys, this is looking so beautiful and it tasted so delicious. You guys will not believe that I just make this with pepper and egg. It looks so beautiful guys and it looks expensive. Food is so expensive these days. Just manage whatever you have and look for a way to put it together to make it delicious and to make it look beautiful when you present it for your family, alright? I go in with the rest of the water that I got from the macaroni. I just cover it and allow to steam together for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I open the pot and I give it a quick stir before I add the rest of my ingredients. I add in my green pepper and I go ahead and add some cabbage so we can have enough veggies in the macaroni. And that is it guys. Give it a final good stir and the food is ready. Once you add the cabbage, you don't want the cabbage to cook unless you like soft cabbage, alright? Just stir everything together and turn off the heat and it is ready. Go ahead, serve your family, serve yourself and enjoy. You can pair it with chicken if you want, but on this particular day, we didn't add any chicken. We enjoy it like that and it's so delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please smash the like button on the video. Leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!